हाय, हम जा रहे हैं होम सेंस शॉपिंग के लिए. We are going to just run some errands. There's certain things that need to be returned. थोड़ी सी इंडियन ग्रोसरी करनी है. And we are going to home sense. ये आ गया मेरा छोटा बच्चा, छोटा बेबी. Gugu Gaga, yeah. Gugu Gaga. So let's take you along with us. Correction, it's not going to be home sense, it's going to be home goods. We are going to Gambrels, very nice area. It's actually Walk Chapel, and हम mainly कई बार वहाँ पे actually जाते हैं. There is ice cream store there. There are other multiple stores, pizza and all. So let's take you along. So whenever I'm going for anywhere, I mainly have the snacks packed for the kids. बाकी हमारी snacks जहाँ पे हैं, I always have something like छोटा मोटा ना बच्चों ਨੂੰ ਖਾਣ ਦੇ ਲਈ, ताकि इन्होंने प्रॉब्लम ना होवे. ये मेरा वर्क का बैग है एक्चुअली, मैं इसी को ही पैक कर लेती होती हूँ. So we are in the town of Annapolis. This is a beautiful Severn River just going by. It has houses and people's piers right on the river. This side is the Naval Academy, the other side. Beautiful sun. Still up, not yet for the sunset. And now we are heading to the Gambrels area, and there are beautiful farms here. I don't know what they're growing, possibly maybe wheat. Yeah, it looks like wheat. This is exactly Davidsonville area. It has beautiful farms, big houses, barn style, and big farms in there. And now we are in the area called Crofton Common. This is actually Davidsonville road. So we are here at the grocery store just to run some quick errands. This is Bismillah grocery store. I have been coming to the another branch of this store since 2010, I think. हाँ, इतने साल हो गए ने. Their main location is in Glen Burnie, but अब इन्होंने यहाँ पे भी एक लोकेशन खोल ली है, तो मैं इस स्टोर को आई थी चेक करने आज. बच्चा पार्टी है गाड़ी में बैठी, एंड हम चेक करते हैं ये स्टोर. लेट्स गो. आई फील लाइक दिस इज मच मोर बेटर एंड ओपन. वो वाला जो है ना, वो इनकी पुरानी शॉप है, एंड दैट इज़ ऑल्सो गुड. आई लाइक इट. यहाँ पे आपको कुछ ना कुछ मिल जाता है जो आपको चटपटा, बिस्कुट, कुछ भी चाहिए हुए. मैं भी कुछ ना कुछ लाभ ही लेना हूँ. मेरे किड्स को ना ये सौंफ भी बड़ी पसंद है. एक्चुअली ये वाली सही है. छोटी वाली जो है ना मेरी, शी इज़ ऑलवेज लुकिंग फॉर स्प्रिंकल्स एंड समथिंग, सो दिस इज़ गुड वन. इसको लेते हैं. एंड दे हैव अ butcher place here too. Let's see. I think घर पे ना मैगी नहीं है. ओह, मेरी तरफ शूट हो रहा है. I think घर पे मैगी नहीं है. मैगी ढूंढते हैं. यहाँ पे ना ये बहुत सही होता है कि हर जो इंडियन शॉप या पाकिस्तानी या एथनिक स्टोर्स है ना, इनकी अपनी चीज़ें होती हैं, तो यू हैव टू लर्न कि विच काइंड ऑफ ब्रांड्स दे गोना कैरी, एंड देन एडजस्ट अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट. ये मेरे को एक चिकन नूडल मिल गई है. पता नहीं बच्चे ये वाली खाएंगे कि नहीं. माई किड्स ईट द अमेरिकन काइंड ऑफ चिकन नूडल्स. दही है गए. सब्जियां ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ मैं चेक करती हूँ की है गए. अच्छा, बैंगन. Let's go the other side and check it. They have every kind of dal. Let's go. मैनू मैगी तो दिखी नहीं अजे, देख दी है मैं. Also my little one likes this matri.
This for chicken two chicken. Yes, this is two chicken.
Actually namak para. We are here. This is Walk Chapel Plaza. It has almost everything. There is Medze, the Mediterranean grill. If there is any other food except Punjabi food that I like is Mediterranean food. I really love it. Then there is Van Dyke bacon shoes. ये पहले it used to be called SAS, SAS shoes. If you are in any kind of medical profession or where you are on your feet for more than 8 to 9 hours, this company makes the shoes to make your feet comfortable. Cold Stone Creamery, who doesn't love it? And then ever so loving Sephora. Oh my god, love Sephora. Let's go to Home Goods now. And हम जा रहे हैं अब Home Goods में. Home Goods एक ऐसा स्टोर है जो आई थिंक एटलीस्ट यूएस में हर औरत को पसंद होगा. मेरे लिए तो ये एक स्टोर थेरेपी है. यू नो, शॉपिंग थेरेपी का नाम सुना है? So that's what it is for me. I have their credit card. You know, they have good things, the decorational things for your house. If you're a house decorator, you like to decor your different rooms. The different ideas here. मेरे को तो इसको एक्सप्लोर करना बहुत मज़ेदार लगता है. एंड सबसे मज़ेदार बात है इसकी क्लियरेंस चेक करनी. किसको नहीं पसंद होगी इसकी क्लियरेंस? लाइक लुक एट दिस. ये जो वास है अब 55 का है. हाँ जी पुत्र, यू वांट टू गेट आउट? ओके, विल गेट आउट. दिस वन इज गुड वन टू. क्लियरेंस आयल ना इसकी ज़रूर चेक करनी चाहिए, क्योंकि क्लियरेंस में ना आपको ऐसी ऐसी डील्स मिलती हैं. ये आ गई इसकी किचन आयल. एंड ऑफ कोर्स देयर आर tons of different types of multi-nationalities of the cookies. The Italian biscottis, Madeleines दिख रही है मेरे को, nuts दिख रहे हैं, और क्या क्या है, and macaroons. पुत लेने होनी. We'll get it. Look at these coolers for the summer. एक तो ये इकट्ठे पड़े हुए भी ना इतने सुंदर लगते हैं ना, मन करता है सभी ले लो. Look at these table runners. Like I have this one in the olive print, but मेरे पास ना इसका लंबा नहीं है वाला. Maybe I'll get this actually. Especially table runners are very good when you have a house party and you wanna, you know, just put something on your countertops. I'm actually in the search of summer decor for my mantle. बट क्लियरेंस चेक कितने वगैरह पकड़े रहना है ना. टेबल रनर की ये बात है कि देयर इज़ नॉट वन टेबल रनर दैट यू गोना कीप एंड दैट गोना बी लाइक everyday merry-go-round and all the occasions merry-go-round. I like particularly this one. This can be used on 4th of July. I actually really big fan of ceramic coated saucepans. I have a set of these, especially in the beige color. क्लियरेंस का ना एक चक्कर बहुत है इसमें ना, आपको फिर एक ही चीज़ मिलती है. एंड आई टेंड नॉट टू डू इट. unless and until it's a good clearance. You guys might have seen these in my video. I have these peers. I love all of their kitchen decors. Everything. At this find for clearance, this is something that is definitely down my lane. You look at this jewelry organizer? It's rotating. It can just sit, and even these small things, they're just so beautiful. I'm not sure why they're on the clearance, but can definitely be used for different things. Like this guy is actually originally 39, but it's up for sale for 32. I used to love, the floral theme of the kitchen towels. I'm now more into like the neutral themes. Look at this multi-purpose organizer. There's so much of things to find here, and women who are enthusiasts for home decor, they have so much of ideas. Like even this new prints for the DKNY talls is like so beautiful. Let's go check their bedding collection. Ooh, the bedding collection. Look at that. The lamps collection.
50% of the purchase price will benefit Dana-Farber's mission to defy cancer. Thank you for your support.
I have my own collection of lamps at home, so I tend not to look more at the lamps because I'm a person who loves the lamp light. I was looking for some quilts. Let's check those out. They have good options for the quilts here. And these are more summery prints. Tommy Bahama's, I have one of their quilts, very good fabric, 100% cotton quilt. This should be more than 600 cotton threads. There is already one quilt जो मेरे को पसंद आ गई है. There is a big trend going on for like the earthen pots. I have my collection, but there is a good one basically with the pottery barn too. But of course they can run anywhere in the prices. Look at this one, the hand and earth one. It's like so unique, and the texture of it. Like of course their decor aisle has great items on the clearance again. Some pots are on the clearance. And their ever so famous candle aisle. You can find any brand name candles, non-branded, doesn't matter. Candles now have this new thing. They can be used even as a decorational thing too. Pretty. Look, what did I step on? Look at this cute refrigerator. Oh my god, look at it. Oh, just so perfect for outdoors. Now of course for the summer celebrations, 4th of July aa rahi hai, so all the decor for 4th of July is here. I also picked something that I like. You know, मेरे पास हर season का decor almost है. I decorate my whole house, but at the same time, what I mainly do is I decor my mantle area right close to the TV. ताकि especially Easter पे, then Diwali पे, then Halloween, then Thanksgiving, and of course Christmas का तो I have like a huge storage area just only for Christmas. Oh, look at these. Look at these. The stars and the stripes. Aww. And the great thing about Cold Stone is they mix all of these ice creams by their hand with any of the toppings you want. And I love this ice cream place. The ice cream cakes are really, really good. If you have a summer birthday or a graduation or any of the occasions in the summer, just come here, get the ice cream cake. You are fixed for the dessert. My cup of Cold Stone is ready. Yum. Topping the dessert for after the dinner. A lot of calories that you need to burn. But this is a nice place to check out.